Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the HAUS Craft Collection Sweet Voodoo Melon. So when we last left off was cantaloupe, like I said, cantaloupe, watermelon. I don't smell watermelon, and sweet, and tropical melon. Yeah, I don't know what the tropical melon is, but apparently they don't know either. They're just like, it's from the tropic, it's a melon, it's a tropic melon. Yeah, but what is it? Is that honeydew? I don't know, but they're not saying if there is honeydew. There is cantaloupe, watermelon. I don't really smell the watermelon. Tropical melon, whatever it is, it smells pretty sweet. And fruity, because it is a melon. With juicy, honey-like undertones. Okay, maybe that's where the sweetness is coming from, the honey. But to be honest, I don't really smell that much honey. And then multiple, it is fresh lifting with multiple fruit nuts. Yeah. So here's a little, oh! Would you look at that? On the little insert that comes with this, it tells you 30 ml, which is printed on the box in a very, very small print on the front of the box. 4 milligrams of nicotine, which again, right on the front of the box, but very, very small. So if you want to know your PG-VG ratio, which is 60 VG and 40 PG, you have to buy the dang thing, open the dang box open, and pull out the little insert to know how much is your VG-PG ratio. Like, why do you have to put 60 VG, 40 PG on the box? I mean, they got plenty of effing room on the box here, on the side here, on the other side here, somewhere on the top here. Maybe somewhere on the back there, on the bottom. But yeah. But your size of the bottle and how it's nicotine, they have that put on it, but then really teeny tiny, you gotta blow out your big old 45 times glass to zoom in on that. But the PG-VG, never put it on the box, only on the insert. That is bad business right there. Because people want to know how much VG to the PG ratio they're getting when they're vaping. Are they going to taste more flavor? Or are they going to get more clouds? Or do you want something like a 50-50 with flavor and Cloud City? You know what I'm talking about? Star Wars, Cloud City, And this just tells you how low, their device, which, blah, blah, blah. Any type of device you have. So let's crack this bad boy open and smell it. Oh, when you open up and smell it, you get a strong hit of that honey scent. So let's boil or smoke V2 species here using the Duramax coil. And let's fill this bad boy up with some. I'm not going to give it a lot because, I used to fill tanks up halfway. But if the flavor is really yucky, I don't like it. I learned fill up a little bit less. So if you can't see that it's completely full or half full, trust me on it. It's full enough to where if I don't like it, I only have to vape a little bit instead of saying, I still got half a tank to go, or why did I fill it up all the way? And I think that's a pretty good amount in there. To try it out to see, do I like it? What type of flavors am I getting off it? So let's turn this baby on and check it out. So we're vaping at 75 watts here at a 0.15 ohms. If any of you are wondering, because I know you probably can't see it on the camera because the screen is very reflective because it's a touch screen. So let's bring the camera up a little bit, and let's go ahead and shut it out before, my video decides to cut out on me again. Here we go. Let me get a couple hits off of this. I gotta take a couple more hits off this to truly tell you, because I am tasting a sweet hot